Hey LinkedIn, hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Lauren Ladell here with Motor City Spindle Repair, coming at you with a quick 30-second video reminder that you can do anything you set your mind to. And I know you hear that all the time, but we truthfully don't believe it enough. So I'm coming to tell you that you can. As long as you have a goal set and you are persistent, you are dedicated, you work toward that goal, you will be successful. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. You can do anything, and I'll talk to you soon.